In this video, we're going to talk about Grok. Imagine, what is it and how can you use it for free? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, Grok Imagine is one of the best AI image and video generation tools by Grok, by Elon Musk. And what's really cool is he has made it free for everyone for now. I don't know how long it's going to stay free, but it is for free. So step number one, obviously you want to open the install the Grok app. That's how I like to use it. You can also use it on your desktop or in your browser, but I have it installed on my phone. And then look on the top, ask is the chat bot. This is where you can chat with Grok. And then if you look at the Imagine, that's the brand new feature for AI images and videos. And look at the quality. And some of the things it can do, it's gonna blow your mind. Just give me a few seconds because we're gonna jump into some of those amazing ways to create content, the images and videos. So now to use it, I'm gonna click on speak, and then I'm just gonna start talking just like this. Just like I'm talking to you, I'm gonna start talking to the Grok app and it will create images and stuff for me. So watch this. Imagine Elon Musk. Imagine Elon Musk in a Tesla. Imagine Elon Musk with Donald Trump. Imagine Elon Musk as the President of the United States. Oh my God. So I was just speaking to this and it was creating live images on the go for me. This is just unbelievable. And I'm gonna pick something. So that's how you can just talk to it and it will create images. To create videos, I'm gonna let's pick this video image right here. And look at the bottom, I have an option to make a video. So I'm gonna click here. And now it's gonna start turning that image into a video. And it is gonna take a few seconds. And if you scroll down, you can see, obviously some of these are, if I use a better prompt, that does not look good. But if I use a different prompt, the image generation will be different, better. And yes, I did get the audio too. And then if you notice right here, there are 4 different options. Option 2, and I hope you can hear it. So this is the video, and if I tap on the next one, this is the image, and the tap back, and the video. And I can also do custom prompts. So for example, I'm gonna click here. I can redo the video to make it spicy, fun, normal, also custom. So watch this. Elon going to the moon with black glasses. Looks like I can't spell glasses anymore. And then it's gonna start generating the videos again. And I don't know how long the Grok Imagine feature is gonna stay free, but for now, Elon made an announcement on X and I am using it for free. I am not a paid user of Grok. Let's see if it's going to the moon or not. Looks like it didn't really like change much. It just kind of give it more of a view. So didn't really add anything to it. But let me go back and say, make a video and custom Elon dancing. Oh. Dancing by his Tesla. Let's see how this do. But yeah, like I was saying, for now it is free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to sign up for to the paid plan. And then yes, you can download these on your computer too. Look right here. There's a download button. So once this is done, you can. That's pretty sweet. So it's more of a walking, not dancing, but still you see the movement. Oh, there you go. Some dance towards the end. And yes, it did add the audio too. All right, let me mute this. Again, go get the Grok app, and then once you log in to the Grok, on the top, switch to Imagine, and then start imagining images, videos, graphics. It is unbelievable. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.